Wonderwoman outfit for $14 for Wonderwoman outfit. Wonderwoman alarm clock right here. Wonderwoman alarm clock right here for
See, how many money you spent on Wonderwoman? You could have got virtual
$19.
reality
20 bucks for Wonderwoman. Why I was talking in the background. Hey, why you're on YouTube again, bro?
No, I'm not.
No, you are. We're at FY. You're now in the mall right now. FY in the mall. Right, it's dark outside. Wonderwoman right here. Why you're on officially on YouTube now? Why is a Christian right now? Wonderwoman. Another one here. This one, another Wonderwoman. I got this one last time. Wonderwoman. This one costs much as $30 for Wonderwoman. Wonderwoman.
It's the picture.
Wonderwoman.